Scott Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we putting a bagger kit on a Cub Cadet XT1LT46 riding lawnmower. They bought the bagger kit and they tried putting it on, but they didn't know how to do it. And they asked if I would do it, and I said I'd give it a try. So let's see if we can't get it on there. Okay, let's see what all goodies they got in this box here. So they got the discharge chute and the part that goes from the deck. Top part of the bagger. And we got the bags. Some bolts and stuff. And no directions. Imagine that. There's something on the side. The bagger kit was $419.99. Can't believe there ain't no directions in here. I wonder why they couldn't figure it out. Well, I guess I'll just start with like the hanger bracket and stuff for the bagger and go from there. Okay, kind of think where some of this stuff goes. There's these two pins right here. Like that. That kind of goes like that. We put that hitch pin in, I believe. Something like that. The bagger fits 42 and 46-inch decks. And we got the A, B, and C here for the bracket that holds the bags on. We'd probably do that by trial and error. We can always slide over one way or the other. Okay, now I gotta put where the hitch goes. We got this pin. So that locks that into place. Make sure all them tight. There's a 46-inch deck. I imagine it goes more towards this side here because the deck sticks out more. Something like that. I could probably go ahead and put these 3 bolts up on top here. And when we get the bagger put together, I can slide one way or the other for the chute. I can't believe there ain't no directions. But half them directions you get nowadays, you don't even understand the doggone things anyway. So I'm missing a nut for one of them, so I'll grab a lock nut, and we need a 1/2-inch socket. Okay, go ahead and tighten them 3 up. Just putting this stuff on temporary. I have no clue where it goes. Getting there. I should move the lawnmower over and do that discharge chute. Okay, this goes over here. And I gotta put a little bracket right here because there's a hole in the wheel bracket. Keep the front of the discharge chute close to the deck. Like they're 7/16. There we go. I think we turn it in there. Like so. Well, there you go. Got it on without any directions. But if you ever put a bagger on and this video helps, I hope it helps. Anyways, appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you guys have a good afternoon.